Hello Blogineers, we are at Courtyard Marriott Scottsdale Salt River, and today we're going to show you the fun things you can do in Scottsdale, Arizona. Our first stop is Wonderspaces. Before going in the museum, we have to sign a waiver for COVID and some other stuff. These are for virtual reality headsets so that the thing doesn't touch your face. You can scan this code to get a guide, and I think if you put your phone number on the waiver, then they'll text you a map of this place. It's going to be a huge circle of exhibits. The first exhibit we're checking out is the rainbow rooms. And on this side, it's actually not a rainbow, it's just black and white. But then, as you come here, it gets more colorful until everything is wrapped in color.
Over here are thank you bags. Have a nice day. Bye.
This is just funny. The next exhibit is Spheres, a virtual reality presentation that lasts 11 minutes. This is a virtual reality headset. And that is Spheres. So basically it's about space and black holes, and you can see like the sun changing colors and the whole depth of space, everything. It was pretty cool. This exhibit is called Volumen, and it's about these things changing shape. Sometimes you're going down a hallway. This exhibit is called Plume, and it's flashing lights in kind of like an igloo. This one is called Glitch, and it's like a staticky video screen. This is Monumental Mapping, the Essence of Creation. The next one is Light Bleak. This room is called Before I Die, or as brother would say, Before I Get Dead. A lot of people want to travel to places before they die. For example, before I die I want to go to Bali, go to Peru, go to space, go to Africa, and swim with dolphins. That's a good one. This person put travel to all states. That's me. I don't think that's the point of the exhibit, but it's fine. Calvin can... Oh, before I die, I want to be with Calvin for many more days. The last room is Shadow Play. This exhibit is called Killing Time. The hourglass is a skull, and the magnet on top sucks up the sand. And that is Wonderspaces.
My favorite part were the thank you bags.
And I like the exhibit with the shadow because you could, with two people, you can make someone hit the other or do special effects. The VR was the most unique one too. Overall, this is one of the most interesting art places I've had because a lot of the things are like moving lights and stuff. Oh, and if you come here, our tip is that this is inside a mall at the back of the food court, so parking could be hard, especially on a holiday. On to the next attraction. Our next stop is Xeriscape Garden at Chaparral Park. It's always important to go over bridges so you don't get wet.
It's always important to go over bridges or else you'll step in the water.
Wait, I already said that. You can't steal my line. This is a nice tree. It's all green, even the trunk. The trunk wanted to be a leaf. There's cactus. You know you're in Arizona if there's a bunch of cactus. There was some on the freeway over here, and they're all in all different types. But the best ones are the ones that cannot poke you. This is my favorite desert plant in the entire place. It's called a tumbleweed. This is like the center of the park, the shady terrace. Xeriscape means low maintenance because all of these are desert plants, and of course it doesn't rain much here. Also, this garden is really long. It's like skinny and long, and we didn't go all the way because we didn't know how long it was. If you have limited time in Scottsdale, I don't really recommend you come here since there's probably better gardens like the Desert Botanical Garden, but this is a nice free area, and I think it's mainly where locals come to just walk around. There's some plaques that teach you about gardening. I'd say this is not bad for a free place. Lastly, we're checking in at Courtyard Marriott Scottsdale Salt River. We're here at the lobby where there's a dining area, the bistro's there. There's water and hot apple cider. The apple cider was wonderful. I'm getting it tomorrow morning. We're in the elevator. They have a hand sanitizer station and a lot of information here, including what you can do nearby.
Oh, shut me. It's so big.
We're in our hotel room, and this is one of the coolest ones I've been to. First of all, it has that new house smell, and it's because the hotel is only 7 months old. And there's so much natural light that just flows into the room. So, here is a mini fridge. Okay, there's a microwave. There's coffee and tea. This is the living room with a counter/table thing. Oh, wow. That's so cool. A huge flat screen TV and a sofa. This sofa converts to a bed, so we can have 3 beds tonight. Here are 2 queen-sized beds, another TV, suitcase rack, hair dryer. What's this, towels? Oh wait, I think this might be a blanket. Bunch of clothes hangers. This is a very nice closet area. And now the bathroom. First of all, this is an accessible room because there's handrails, so if you're handicapped, then you can easily get around. And inside here,
I'm gonna give you a tour of the bathroom. There's a sink, soap, tissue box, cups. Bye. We are at the swimming pool and we're gonna swim. Now we're in the jacuzzi. So we're actually going that far.